Have you ever thought about your future and where you'd like to live as you age? For many of us, the answer is a resounding right here in my own home. There's a deep comfort and familiarity in the place we've made our own, filled with memories and personal touches. The idea of aging in place, continuing to live in your current home safely and independently as you get older, is a cherished goal for so many. However, as we gracefully navigate the years, our physical needs can change, and sometimes our beloved homes need a little thoughtful adaptation to ensure our safety, comfort, and ongoing independence. This isn't about undertaking a massive, disruptive renovation. Instead, it's about making smart, often quite simple modifications that can significantly reduce the risk of falls, improve accessibility, and enhance your overall well-being, allowing you to stay in the home you love with greater peace of mind. Today, with a gentle, caring, and expert approach, I want to explore 7 must-have home modifications designed specifically for aging in place safely and comfortably. We'll look at practical and achievable changes, share relatable examples, and help you envision how you can adapt your living space so you can continue to enjoy it for many wonderful years to come. Let's make your home your safe and supportive haven for all stages of life. Why home modifications are crucial for safe aging. As we age, we might experience changes in our vision, balance, strength, and mobility. Without some adjustments, our homes can inadvertently become sources of potential hazards. Falls are a leading cause of injury and loss of independence for older adults, and many falls occur right at home. By proactively making some key modifications, we can create a living environment that supports our changing needs and minimizes these risks. These changes aren't just about safety. They're about maintaining our dignity, comfort, and the freedom to continue living life on our own terms. Let's explore 7 essential modifications to consider. Modification 1. Improved lighting throughout the home. Good lighting is paramount for preventing trips and falls. How to do it? Increase overall illumination. Replace low-wattage bulbs with brighter, energy-efficient LED options. Consider adding overhead lighting in rooms that are dimly lit. Task lighting. Install focused lighting for specific activities like reading, cooking, or hobbies. Under-cabinet lighting in the kitchen and adjustable reading lamps beside chairs are excellent examples. Night lights. Place motion sensor night lights in hallways, bathrooms, and bedrooms to illuminate pathways during the night. Light switches. Ensure light switches are easily accessible at the entrances and exits of rooms. Consider rocker-style switches, which are often easier to use. Why it helps? Better lighting reduces shadows and improves visibility, making it easier to navigate your home safely, especially at night. This minimizes the risk of tripping over objects or misjudging steps. Story. Our friend Eleanor, 82, had a near fall in her dimly lit hallway one night. It was a wake-up call. Her son helped her install motion sensor night lights and brighter overhead fixtures. It's made a world of difference, Eleanor shared. I feel so much more confident moving around at night now. It's such a simple change, but it's given me real peace of mind. Modification 2. Grab bars and handrails in key areas. These provide essential support and stability. How to do it? Bathrooms. Install sturdy grab bars in the shower/tub area and beside the toilet. Ensure they are securely anchored to wall studs. Consider both vertical and horizontal bars. Stairways. Install handrails on both sides of staircases that extend slightly beyond the first and last steps. Make sure they are at a comfortable height and easy to grip. Entryways. Consider a grab bar near the front door or any steps leading into the house. Why it helps? Grab bars and handrails offer crucial support for maintaining balance when getting in and out of the shower or tub, using the toilet, and navigating stairs, significantly reducing the risk of falls. Story. Tom, 78, had been hesitant to use his shower as his balance wasn't what it used to be. His daughter installed grab bars, and it completely changed his confidence. Those bars are lifesavers, Tom said. I feel so much safer and more secure now. It's allowed me to continue taking care of myself independently. Modification 3. Lever-style door handles and faucet handles. These are easier to operate for those with arthritis or limited hand strength. How to do it? Replace traditional round doorknobs with lever-style handles, which require a gentle push or pull rather than a tight grip and twist. Similarly, replace traditional faucet knobs with lever handles that can be easily turned on and off with a single hand movement. Why it helps? These modifications reduce strain on the hands and wrists, making it easier to open doors and control water flow, enhancing independence and comfort. Story: Margaret, 75, who has arthritis in her hands, found it increasingly difficult to turn round doorknobs. Her son replaced them with lever handles. It's such a small change, but it's made a huge difference in my daily life, Margaret explained. Now, I don't struggle to get in and out of rooms, and my hands don't hurt as much. Modification 4. Non-slip flooring and secure rugs. Preventing slips is crucial for fall prevention. How to do it? Flooring. If possible, replace slippery flooring like polished hardwood or tile in high-traffic areas with non-slip alternatives, such as textured vinyl, cork, or low-pile carpet. Rugs. Secure all-area rugs with non-slip rug pads or tape to prevent them from sliding or bunching up. Avoid throw rugs in walkways if possible. If you do use them, ensure they lie completely flat and have secure edges. Why it helps? Non-slip surfaces provide better traction and reduce the likelihood of slipping and falling, especially in areas prone to moisture like bathrooms and kitchens. Secure rugs eliminate tripping hazards. Story: David, 80, tripped on a loose throw rug in his living room and had a minor fall. It was a scary experience. His daughter helped him remove the throw rugs and secured the remaining area rug with a non-slip pad. "I feel so much safer now," David said. "It's one less thing I have to worry about." Modification 5. Raised toilet seats or commode chairs. These can make using the toilet easier and safer. How to do it? Install a raised toilet seat with or without arms to reduce the distance you need to lower yourself and push back up. Alternatively, consider a commode chair that can be placed beside the bed or in the bathroom. Why it helps? Reduced mobility and strength can make sitting down and standing up from a standard toilet challenging. Raised seats provide extra height, making this essential daily task easier and less risky. Story: Helen, 84, had been experiencing increasing difficulty using her regular toilet due to knee pain. Her occupational therapist suggested a raised toilet seat with handles. "It's made such a difference in my comfort and independence," Helen shared. "It's something so simple, but it's made a big impact on my daily routine." Modification 6. Single-level living or stair lifts. Consider these options if navigating stairs becomes increasingly difficult. How to do it? Single-level living. If possible, arrange your living space so that essential rooms like the bedroom, bathroom, and kitchen are all on the same floor. Stair lifts. If single-level living isn't feasible, a stair lift can provide a safe and easy way to move between floors. There are various types available to suit different staircases. Why it helps? Eliminating or assisting with stair navigation significantly reduces the risk of falls on stairs, which can have serious consequences for older adults. Story: George and Mary, both in their late 80s, found the stairs in their two-story home increasingly challenging. They decided to install a stair lift. "It's given us a new lease on life in our own home," George said. "We can still access our upstairs without any fear or strain. It was a worthwhile investment in our safety and comfort." Modification 7. Accessible kitchen and bathroom layouts. Minor adjustments can make these essential areas more user-friendly. How to do it? Kitchen. Organize frequently used items within easy reach. Consider pull-out shelves and lower cabinets. Ensure clear pathways. Bathroom. Consider a walk-in shower or shower chair. Ensure adequate space for maneuvering. Install easy-to-reach storage for toiletries. Why it helps? Accessible layouts reduce the need for bending, stretching, and reaching, making these daily tasks safer and more comfortable. Story: Eleanor, whom we met earlier, also had difficulty reaching items in her kitchen cabinets. Her son installed pull-out shelves. "Now I can easily see and access everything without having to bend down or strain," she said. "It's made cooking so much more enjoyable again." Conclusion. So, there you have it. 7 must-have home modifications. Improved lighting, grab bars and handrails, lever-style handles, non-slip flooring, raised toilet seats, single-level living/stair lifts, and accessible kitchen and bathroom layouts that can make a profound difference in your ability to age in place safely and comfortably. These changes aren't about transforming your home overnight, but rather about making thoughtful adjustments that prioritize your well-being and independence. Remember, the goal is to create a living environment that supports your changing needs, minimizes risks, and allows you to continue enjoying the comfort and familiarity of your own home for many years to come. By proactively considering these modifications, you're investing in your safety, your independence, and your peace of mind. I genuinely encourage you to reflect on your own home and consider which of these modifications might be beneficial for you or a loved one. What's one small change you could make this week to enhance safety? Perhaps adding a night light or securing a rug. Please share your thoughts, your experiences, or any questions you have in the comments below. Your insights are incredibly valuable and can inspire others in our supportive community. If you found this video informative, caring, and truly helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, I would be deeply honored if you would subscribe for more essential content focused on healthy aging, well-being, and living your most fulfilling life. Sharing this video could genuinely help someone you care about stay safe and independent in the place they call home. Thank you for being here with me today.